Hi guys, my name is Keerthi. This is my room in Roberts Hall. Come on in. So my roommate and I brought these little bins and containers to help us stay organized because in our pantry we have lots of different things and we don't want to get mixed up. So that's one way you can organize all your food. So Roberts Hall is located right on Coed Plaza next to Sherwood Hall. That makes it really easy to access all of the places I need to go on a daily basis. The dining hall is right across from here and Tarver Library is right across Coed Plaza. So yeah, everything I need is right here. My name is Keerthi. This was my room in Roberts Hall. Thanks for visiting.